Have you caught a sudden glimpse of your reflection in a shop window lately and felt surprised? I have a quiet shock at how much your upper back has rounded, or how far your head seems to lean forward before the rest of your body even arrives. We are often told that a heavy slouch, a protruding neck, and a stiff, downward glance are simply the natural badges of honor that come with passing your 70th milestone. But what if I told you that the common stretching routines you have been doing to fix this are actually making your muscles weaker and locking your spine into a permanent, fragile curve? There is a hidden, quiet reality that leading longevity experts are now starting to uncover after 70. Your posture dictates your survival, your balance, and your daily independence far more than your weight or your diet ever will. You might be walking your daily steps and stretching your neck every morning, yet you could accidentally be introducing a dangerous instability into your joints that forces your body to hunch even further forward just to keep from falling down. If you have been relying on old-fashioned flexibility exercises to straighten your frame, you are likely making a profound mistake that places an immense, silent strain on your lungs and your heart. For simple, doctor-backed tips to help you stay strong and safe, make sure to subscribe. The primary challenge with generic advice on physical alignment is that it completely ignores how our neurological system controls our bones as we cross into our 70s. When we are young, our brains easily communicate with our deep spinal muscles, keeping our frames naturally upright without us ever having to think about it. However, as the decades march on, the map of our body inside our brain begins to blur, and our nervous system loses its ability to sense exactly where our spine is in space. Common daytime habits, like leaning forward to read a morning newspaper or sitting in a deep, plush armchair that swallows your lower back, can actually accelerate this internal confusion without ever causing immediate pain. The risks of allowing this downward collapse to continue are serious, but can be faced with a calm, focused mind. When your spine is constantly stooped, your center of gravity shifts drastically forward over your toes, forcing your calf muscles and lower back into a state of permanent, exhausting panic just to keep you upright. This continuous strain does not just make you feel tired. It acts like a slow brake on your breathing, compressing your diaphragm and reducing the amount of vital oxygen that reaches your brain, which quietly steals the vibrant, energetic independence you deserve. According to many specialists, the hidden collapse of our physical frame is rarely driven by a permanent shortening of the muscles, but rather by a deep neurological sleep that occurs in the upper back. What most people don't realize is that when we look at a rounded shoulder, the muscles across the shoulder blades are not tight at all. They are actually overstretched, exhausted, and chemically switched off by the brain. Doctors often see this mistake where senior patients spend 20 minutes a day pulling and twisting their necks in hopes of standing taller, a habit that actually irritates the delicate cervical nerves and destabilizes the neck joints even further. Medical experts point out that when you try to force a mature spine into alignment using aggressive stretches, your body views this sudden tension as a severe threat to its survival. In response, your nervous system commands your core and back muscles to lock up tightly, creating an internal bottleneck that makes you feel stiffer and more hunched the very next morning. What most people miss is that your body relies on subtle, precise pressure signals, not intense stretching, to reassure your brain that it is entirely safe to release its protective slouch and stand tall. Let us look closely at the first common habit that many seniors routinely rely on, which is the widespread practice of forcing the shoulders straight back whenever they realize they are slouching. It may seem helpful to suddenly pull your shoulder blades together with extreme force while you are standing in line or sitting at the kitchen table. But what most people miss is that this forced correction lasts for only a few seconds before your mind wanders and you collapse right back down. According to many specialists, this sudden, aggressive pulling creates a severe compression in your lower back, pinching the delicate lumbar vertebrae and creating a false sense of posture that strains your abdominal muscles. Doctors often see this mistake, where seniors create a painful arch in their lower spine, while their upper back and neck remain completely unchanged and rounded forward. A simple, practical solution to protect your spinal alignment is to focus entirely on the position of your breastbone rather than your shoulders. By gently lifting your breastbone toward the ceiling by just half an inch, you naturally allow your shoulder blades to slide back into their proper home without creating a single ounce of tension or lower back pressure. The second hidden culprit that quietly ruins your alignment after 70 is the unseen breakdown of your deep pelvic foundation, caused by the way modern furniture designs affect our sitting bones. Many of us spend our quiet afternoons relaxing in soft, deep couches that cause our tailbones to tuck completely under our bodies, turning off the primary power muscles of our glutes and lower abdomen. What most people do not realize is that when your pelvis is tilted backward for hours at a time, it acts exactly like a collapsed foundation under a house, forcing every single bone above it to bend forward to keep your head level. Doctors often see this mistake where seniors try to fix their upper body posture while continuing to sit on their tailbones, completely unaware that they are fighting an impossible battle against gravity. A highly effective, safe solution is to change how your sit bones interact with your chair by placing a small, firm towel roll directly under the back half of your seat. This tiny elevation naturally tilts your pelvis slightly forward, automatically stacking your vertebrae like pristine building blocks and allowing your spine to hold itself upright with zero physical effort. The third daily alignment trap often stems from a well-intentioned movement that many people view as an innocent necessity, which is the constant habit of looking down at your feet while walking outside. It is completely natural to feel a sense of caution about cracks in the pavement or uneven grass as the years progress, leading many adults to keep their gaze fixed entirely on the ground 3 feet in front of them. What most people do not realize, however, is that your head weighs roughly 12 pounds, which is about the same as a heavy bowling ball. According to many specialists, when you tilt that heavy bowling ball forward to look at your feet, the true physical weight placed on the muscles of your neck multiplies by 4, creating an immense, crushing load that physically drags your entire thoracic spine into a permanent hump. When these neck muscles are subjected to this crushing weight hour after hour, they develop thick, fibrous tissues that freeze your head in that forward position, making it incredibly difficult to look up and greet a neighbor. To protect your structural freedom, a simple and realistic action step is to train your eyes to scan the ground 10 to 15 feet ahead of you rather than right at your toes, allowing your peripheral vision to spot any obstacles while keeping your heavy head perfectly centered over your supportive shoulders. The fourth symptom of postural strain involves a common exercise mistake that many seniors make out of a deep desire to build up their walking stamina, which is walking long distances while pushing a heavy shopping cart or using a walker that is set far too low. It is wonderful to stay active and keep your legs moving through the neighborhood, but what most people miss is that walking while leaning forward onto a support frame trains your nervous system to accept a hunched posture as your default walking pattern. When you spend 30 minutes in this bent-over position, your brain memorizes this specific shape and begins to believe that standing completely straight is actually dangerous and unstable. Specialists often point out that this habitual leaning turns off the deep stabilizing muscles of your hips, forcing your knees and ankles to absorb the harsh impact of every single step you take. A wonderful, hopeful alternative is to ensure that any walking aid or rolling cart you use is adjusted to the exact height of your wrists when your arms are hanging naturally at your sides. This simple modification forces your torso to stay completely upright, transforming your daily walk into a powerful posture-building ritual rather than a habit that reinforces the slouch. The fifth hidden danger sits inside a daily routine that many seniors perform out of a genuine desire to maintain their upper body flexibility, which is the practice of performing deep, twisting stretches of the torso first thing in the morning. When you wake up, your spinal discs are naturally filled with fluid and are highly sensitive to sudden, twisting pressures that force the vertebrae to grind against one another. According to many specialists, performing intense twists while your back muscles are still cold can cause micro-tears in the supporting ligaments, leading to protective muscle spasms that pull your shoulders forward and down into a defensive shell. Doctors often see seniors twisting their torsos back and forth while sitting on the edge of the bed, completely unaware that they are accidentally telling their nervous system to lock the spine into a rigid, protective curve for the rest of the day. The practical solution is to avoid all twisting movements for the first hour after waking, choosing instead to simply reach your arms out to the sides like a bird spreading its wings, a gentle movement that opens up your chest cavity and signals your brain that it is safe to expand your posture. The sixth dietary and physical element that quietly places an enormous burden on your posture after 70 is the rapid loss of active hydration inside the gelatinous discs that separate your spinal bones. You might notice that you have lost an inch or two of height over the last decade, assuming this shrinkage is entirely harmless and just a normal part of getting older. What most people don't realize is that when your spinal discs dry out, the space between your vertebrae narrows significantly, causing the tiny nerve roots that exit your spine to become slightly pinched and irritated. Specialists often notice that when these nerves are crowded, they send an immediate chemical warning to your brain, which responds by tightening your chest muscles and pulling your torso forward into a protective fetal position to shield the spinal cord. Simply increasing your pure water intake throughout the morning and avoiding sugary, dehydrating beverages can completely alter the cushioning of your spine, allowing those internal discs to plump up naturally and giving you a wonderful feeling of spaciousness and ease in your upper back. Let us look closely at the single, extraordinary 2-minute exercise that fixes this entire neurological collapse without requiring a single second of stretching or physical strain. This movement is called the seated spine reset, and it works by using gentle, isometric pressure to instantly wake up the sleeping posture muscles between your shoulder blades and tell your brain exactly where your spine is. To perform this safe and realistic movement, you simply need to sit upright in a firm chair with your feet flat on the floor, keeping your arms relaxed at your sides with your palms facing entirely forward. Without pulling your shoulders back or arching your lower spine, you will gently pull your chin straight backward, as if you are trying to make a slight double chin, which instantly aligns the heavy weight of your head directly over your neck bones. While holding this gentle chin position, you will slowly exhale all of your air and focus on gently pressing the back of your hands toward the wall behind you, contracting the tiny, forgotten muscles right between your shoulder blades. You do not need to press hard at all. Using just 10% of your maximum strength is more than enough to send a powerful, clear electrical signal straight to your brain's movement center. Hold this gentle, focused contraction for exactly 10 seconds while breathing calmly through your nose. Then completely release the tension and let your body relax for 5 seconds. Repeating this simple, 2-minute sequence just 6 times in a row acts like a physical reset button for your nervous system, immediately clearing the internal bottleneck and allowing your body to stand completely straight and tall, with absolute comfort. I want to give you back the deepest emotional reassurance that discovering these hidden postural traps is not a reason to feel overwhelmed, discouraged, or fearful about the state of your back or your current mobility levels. Finding these truths simply means you are gaining the exact, specialized knowledge required to take complete, authoritative control over your own structural aging process. Your spine is not a stiff, unyielding piece of concrete that is permanently stuck in a rounded shape. It is a living, responsive architecture that possesses an absolutely remarkable capacity to realign, soften, and stand proud the very moment you stop forcing it with harsh stretches. Specialists consistently see that when seniors over 70 shift away from aggressive flexibility exercises and embrace gentle, daily muscle activation, their posture begins to lift dramatically in a matter of days. You have the total power to change how your brain communicates with your bones, and by practicing this simple 2-minute alignment reset, you are actively casting a vote for a future defined by steady balance, deep breathing, and complete physical independence. To help you put this protective strategy into immediate action tomorrow morning, let us outline a simple, realistic plan that you can follow with absolute ease and safety. When you first get out of bed this week, avoid the temptation to bend over or twist your spine, and instead, find a firm chair where you can sit comfortably with your feet supported by the ground. Spend exactly 2 minutes performing the seated spine reset before you have your morning tea or look at your phone, giving your brain a pristine, upright map to use for the rest of your daily activities. Whenever you find yourself walking through the grocery store or moving through your neighborhood, remember to lift your breastbone just half an inch toward the sky and keep your gaze fixed on the path well ahead of you. These simple instructions are entirely safe, highly practical, and require no expensive gym equipment or strenuous fitness routines, making them perfectly suited for anyone looking to maintain a beautiful, tall, and resilient frame well into their 80s and 90s. Think about the magnificent peace of mind and physical comfort that awaits you when your body is no longer forced to carry a heavy, exhausting slouch around your internal organs every single day. Imagine walking into a room filled with your friends or family members, standing completely straight and tall with your head held high, feeling an incredible wave of natural, unhindered lightness throughout your entire chest. You will no longer have to live with the nagging, uncomfortable worry of losing your balance or suffering a sudden, debilitating fall, because your center of gravity will be perfectly anchored over your hips where it belongs. Your daily movements can return to being a true source of pure joy, deep nourishment, and elegant comfort, where your lungs easily expand to their full capacity, feeding your brain with clean oxygen and keeping your mind beautifully sharp and focused. This is the natural, guaranteed reward for working in perfect harmony with your internal biology and extending to your physical frame the specialized, mindful attention it truly deserves. As you begin to transition away from aggressive stretches and forced corrections over the coming days, take a quiet moment to notice how beautifully your body responds to this gentle care. You will likely find that the persistent, burning ache between your shoulder blades naturally withers away, replaced by a true, deep sense of structural stability that leaves your lower back feeling perfectly serene and unburdened. Share this supportive, clear perspective with your close friends and contemporary loved ones, as encouraging those in your community to look up past their feet and lift their breastbones is a wonderful way to preserve the collective strength, vitality, and freedom of everyone you care about. Your longevity is a beautiful, continuous journey that is shaped by the wise, loving choices you make with every single sunrise. Keep your alignment simple, honor your body's internal pathways, and keep moving forward into your long, vibrant future with absolute confidence and peace of mind. In summary, restoring your posture and eliminating a heavy slouch after 70 requires moving past aggressive static stretching and actively addressing the neurological sleep that causes your upper back muscles to turn off. By understanding the foundational connection between your sitting bones, your head position, and your brain's internal map, you can easily avoid common mistakes, like forcing your shoulders back or looking down at your feet while walking. Implementing the safe, simple, and doctor-backed 2-minute seated spine reset allows you to use gentle isometric pressure to instantly reawaken your stabilizer muscles, lift the physical pressure off your diaphragm, and allow your spine to hold itself upright with absolute ease. Take care of your body, because it is the only house you have to live in. Small steps today, like lifting your breastbone half an inch and practicing your 2-minute spine reset, can make a truly massive difference in how strong, steady, and independent you feel for all the beautiful years ahead. You hold the ultimate authority over your own health journey, and your path toward pristine spinal longevity and a life of unrestricted mobility begins with the very next movement you choose to practice. Stay wise, trust your body's beautiful capacity to restore its balance, and embrace your health with absolute assurance.